Hi everyone! This is a typical Friday in my life as a working mom. Aray, tulog na naman si Rose paghalin ko but we have to work. Let's check the outfit. Very basic again. To the office na. This time, gidulong ko ni Kagawad. Thanks, Kidwad ha! Hello, Capitol! May nagmuna gali sa akon sa last vlog ko sa office ni daw ay daw ko sung upod. So, subong nga vlog, ipakita na sila. But first, time in and of course, kilay! Kilay is life pero basic naman gapo ng itsura. Ari aga pang chika sa pantry. This is Ada and of course, ang isa sa mga pinakapag-on sa Kapitolyo si Ma'am Grace. Hi, Engineer Von! Mahaw na tasang Milo Kagatas with more cheka. Hi, Engineer Linlin! Pasilip-silip lang ana exposure ta kay doon nahuya pa ang tanan. Let's work na! Hi, Ate Don! Naga-video gali ko si ni. Hi, Dumadel! Ang amon suki sa office. Afritada lang ana ya konti Meet the mag-ina, Chari and Ate Inday. Amo ni siya eksena sa pantry. Duwa lang ni, kami mabudol ni Ate Madel or siya mabudol namon. Charot. More exposure. Let's make sure Taki rice again. Ari man ang rice nila. Link sa comments kung diin makabakal sang legit. Let's eat! Hi, Marvs! Time out and time in. Then, papisan-pisan taka pinanghugas kaya. After sina, retouch time and more pa kuno-kuno na lang gid sa work. Kay Friday na, diba? Char! Kulita
Bye guys! Upload na ni Buwan.
Na, nag-ulan pa gani. Sulay gid si Mother. Nakasakay gid man after 48 years. We're home!
Hey girl!
The best part. Being a working mom is really challenging, but sometimes in life, we have to make sacrifices in order to paint a bigger picture and give a brighter future for our family. At the end of the day, we're all just doing our best. What's important is we're not stepping on anybody. We're safe, healthy, happy, and at peace. It's dinner time! Sure, Taki Rice again. And thanks sa Bukto sa pag-sponsor. Char. After dinner, we spent the night chillin' and watching MUPH. Congrats gali kay Day Atisa da, bisa na tumba ikaw. Bounce back lang gid. Pagkagwapa, oh. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching.